Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? Shubhodaya. So, like you already saw, the content is pretty much ready, and thank you so much for subscribing in very quick time. The last two videos I put in, we had about good 50-60 subscribers just adding. I think that's where I was missing the entire picture of YouTube. So the biggest part about today's review is the crowns for the king or the crowns for the riders, right? So I usually have three different helmets that I use. One, definitely the Vega, the one that I'll show you in a while. Another one is of course the AGV. Another one is the Axis helmet as well. You already saw I carry all the helmets and take care of the helmets very well. And I clean them very regularly and I put them inside the bag as well, right? So that's another thing I just wanted to say. It's most important because it tends to have dust and fungus affecting its way as well, right? So we will start with the first helmet that I got. It's again packed up in this bag. This was a gift given for me from one of my very special friends way back in 2014, and this actually helmet was quite trending, right? We had LS2 and Vega doing a really tough competition, and back then I had black 220 as well, 220cc Pulsar. So that I've sold it. I don't have that motorcycle. I wish that I had, but it's okay. So this is the helmet that you see, right? And the visor is not this clean, but I've just got a new one. Not now, but I think a year back, but I don't use this much. This actually suits the KTM Adventure 390 very well, but I still don't use it because the helmet itself is very loose when I wear. So possibly a giveaway helmet. Let's see how it goes. If I get more subscribers, I'll be happy to give one of these helmets as well. So this is the first helmet that I got, 2014, and the padding, what I do is I take out all the padding separately and I wash them as well on a very consistent basis. So that's something which I do. And this is the first helmet and it's in pristine condition as well. And the second helmet that I purchased when I got the 6R, I should have gone directly for the premium one, but I wanted something for my head because this one was very loose and it did not work out for me. So I got a really good helmet. I just fell in love the moment I saw the graphic of the helmet. This is like crazy, man. This is possibly the best design I've ever had or even I've ever seen. So this is a bomb helmet from Axis. You would have already seen the unboxing of video and everything. So kindly go ahead and see. Something fell from my helmet. Just a second, please. Oops, this is the mount that has been there for the helmet as well. So this is the Axis helmet, and this is actually pretty decent. Works well for KTM Adventure 390 or motorcycles with speeds of about 80 to 100. This works very well, and the padding and cushioning is pretty good as well. And like you see, you already have a mount and everything that I put for this helmet. If you want to see, go ahead and check in my channel. You have the entire video of how exactly I mount the GoPro for this helmet as well. And of course, the mic is hanging around the pin. This is another helmet, and I'll keep this aside. And this is the main helmet, the expensive of the lot. This is AGV Corsa R helmet. This is a Jack Miller edition. Of course, the helmets are pretty same. Everyone picks up Rossi helmet, but I did not want to buy that, and it's more expensive as well just because of the graphic. But in terms of other cushioning, other quality and everything, this helmet is pretty equivalent to any AGV Corsa R, right? This is completely a carbon shell that is super light and it feels so confident in riding as well, right? The helmets are basically defined into three categories, right? One is the beginner, the second one is the intermediate, and the next one is pro or advanced, right? This is a very good helmet, something in similar sort. I'm sure you won't get this helmet right now, but you can definitely purchase the Axer helmet, which is very similar, or MT helmets as well. This is a very beginner helmet. Back then when I got this was about 3K, 3,500 or something. That's what my friend who gifted me told it. And another one is, this is intermediate, not intermediate, but in between intermediate and beginner level helmets. It does a decent job, not pathetic, but it's good, but it doesn't suit for my 6R, because when I got my 6R, I was riding in 120, 130-ish. Of course, the first service was pending. I was taking it slow. I did not want to give it a high shot and mess up with things. I wanted to understand the motorcycle more as well. So this is the intermediate helmet, and The other one is definitely the Pro or Advanced. This can be used at very high speeds. You feel lot of confidence, and definitely I would recommend anyone who own a Super Sport, because nothing is expensive than your head, man. Go ahead and buy. And this costed me roughly about 75,000, and the Access helmet, it costed somewhere close to 3,500. So that's pretty much I had about the helmets. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And we are just so much close to 1,000 subscribers. Please do go ahead and support. I will make sure that I will make some time, irrespective of the schedules of my personal and professional life. I will make sure that I will share some content as well. Until then, stay safe. Every video that I'm putting through YouTube is just shot before lockdown, and I'm just putting it across because there are some really good videos. If you like my content, like I said, like, share and subscribe. We'll see you on another video. Take care. Stay very, very safe. See you. Bye.